Dear students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is power and roots. And there is another name for this chapter, that is exponents. And the objectives of this chapter are: number 1, introduction plus how to write the number in the exponential form. Number 2, laws of exponents. Number 3, applications for laws of exponents. And number 4 is to simplify using different laws of exponents, right? So today's video is going to be about the first objective, that is introduction, and plus how to write the number in the exponential form. So let's get started. Now students, you can see that I have written here 5 raised to power 2, right? Now what is 5 here? 5 is called the base, right? 5 is known as the base. Now here 2 is also known as the power, and another name is index, and the third name is exponent, right? So here 5 represents as base and 2 as power or index or exponent, right? So you could have a question like write the base and the index. For example, I'm having 9 raised to power 3, right? We speak like this, 9 raised to power 3. So here what is base? So you will write here base is equals to 9 and this 3 is index. So you will write here index is equals to 3. Similarly, one more example we can take, minus 1 upon 7 bracket raised to power 5. Now what is base here? Base is equals to minus 1 upon 7 and index is equals to 5. Number 3, minus 4 raised to power 2. Now what is the base here? Base is equals to minus 4 and index is equals to 2, right? Now students, as we know that this 5 is known as the base and this 2 is known as the power or index or exponent, right? Now there is a question about how to find the value or evaluate, right? You can have the question as find the value or evaluate. So whenever you are having this type of question, so always you have to expand it, right? Now 5 raised to power 2 means what? 5 is getting multiplied 2 times. So you will write here 5 multiply 5. You will write here 5 2 times, right? 5 multiply 5, that is equals to 25, right? So you found the value or you have evaluated, right? So second example is minus 4 raised to power 3. So it means you have to multiply minus 4 because minus 4 is base. So you have to multiply this minus 4 3 times. So you will write here minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply by minus 4. Now there is a rule for the sign. So what is the rule? Whenever the power is odd, so the answer will always be in negative sign. Whenever with the base there is a negative sign and the power is odd, so the answer will come in minus, right? But when the base is in minus and the power is even, the answer will be plus, right? So here you can see that power is odd and base is with minus sign. Power is odd, therefore your answer will come in minus sign, right? Now 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So you got the answer, that is minus 64. So move to the another example, that is example number 3, 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. So we have to expand it. It means that we have to multiply 1 upon 3 2 times. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 1 into 1, that is equals to 1 upon 3 into 3, it will be 9. So you will write here 1 upon 9, right? So here 1 multiply 1, that is 1. You have to write it 1. And then in denominators, you will write 3 into 3, that is 9. 1 upon 9 is your answer. Clear? So now move to the next question. So here's the statement, express in exponential notation, right? So that means you have to write the given numbers in the exponential notations. So here's the first question, that is 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So in each and everything there is 2 and 2 upon 5 is same. Now 2 upon 5 is getting multiplied how many times? They are getting multiplied 1, 2, 3. 3 times, so that means the power will be, the index will be, or the exponent will be 3. So you will write base only once. So that means 2 upon 5 you will write only one time and the power will be 3 because they are getting 3 times multiplied. So the answer will be 2 upon 5 raised to power 3. So we have written this in the exponential notation, that means in the power form. Next question is minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7. Now, how many times they are getting multiplied? They are getting multiplied. How many times? They are getting multiplied 2 times. So you will write here minus 3 upon 7 raised to power 2, right? Now, we will move to the next example, that is example number 3rd. Now student, you can have the question like this, 27 upon 125. So you have to write it in the exponential form. So first of all, you have to convert this number into its product form, right? So that means you have to find the factors for 27. So you will have the factors with the help of LCM. So you can find the factors like this. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So you will have the factors of 27 will be like this. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, right? Upon 125 is there, so also we have to find the product form for 125. So 5 on 5 table, 125 comes on 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So you will have product form of 125 as 5 into 5 into 5, right? Now you can see that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that means 3 is getting multiplied how many times? 3 times. So you will write the base only one time and the power will be 3. Now here you are having upon 5. 5 is getting multiplied 3 times again. So you will write here base only one time and power will be 3, right? Now what is common in both? Their powers are common, their index are common, right? So you can write it like this, 3 upon 5, that means base will be same like 3 upon 5, right? And the powers, because they are common, so you can write them outside the bracket. So 3 upon 5 raised to power 3. Clear? Next question is, fourth question, minus 1 upon 32. Now here minus 1 upon 32. So minus 1 will remain minus 1, right? So down you are having 32. So you have to find the product form for 32. So you will have the factors like this. So you're getting the factors of 32 like this, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. Now 2 is getting multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write down 2 raised to power 5, right? Now minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is there. So similarly, if you want to make the powers common, so you will have minus 1 raised to power 5. Why 5? Because here power is 5. Now if you will take here power 5, because this is odd, and you know that when the power is odd and base is with minus sign, the answer will also come in minus. So you will have minus 1 raised to power 5 upon 2 raised to power 5. So here what is common? Their power, that means their index is common. So you will write here minus 1 upon 2, which is base, and the power will be 5, right? So students, today we have learned how can we find the base as well as the index or power or exponent, and how can we find the value by evaluating it, or how can we write the number in its exponential notation, right? So I hope all of you have understood this topic clearly. So now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.